What's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and if you follow me on TikTok, then you know I have a really nice catchphrase. You hungry? Let's make a snack. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing today. Is I'm making a snack with some of my favorite ingredients: chicken wings, barbecue sauce, and Hennessy. Let's do these Hennessy barbecue wings the way I like to do them. So I've got some wing dingies already here. I don't know what you guys call them where you're from. Wing dings, party wings, whatever. Just get some chicken wings and have them cut up. And I'm gonna take some olive oil and drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the wings. All right, let's then season these very simply with just salt and pepper. All right, and let's drop these off into a hot 375-degree oven. So let's make the barbecue sauce while the wings are in the oven. So let's start with, come on now, anytime you start with brown sugar, this has to be amazing, right? And then I'm gonna add in the Hennessy right in here. So this is Hennessy and brown sugar. All right, and then we can whisk together the Hennessy and the brown sugar just to dissolve it a little bit. Then I'm gonna add in barbecue sauce and give that a whisk and put this on the stove just on low so it all kind of melds together. I just pulled the wings out of the oven. As you can see, they're starting to get nice and crispy, which is exactly what you want. They're not done yet. So let's take our Hennessy barbecue sauce and we'll slather each one. And we'll do this like every 3 or 4 minutes until they're cooked all the way through. All right, and back in the oven these go for another 3 minutes. Let's make the ranch dressing for our Hennessy barbecue wings. I'm gonna start by adding in some sour cream. Then I'm going to add in some mayonnaise. Then let's talk about seasoning for this. We need some sugar, just a pinch. The reason we're adding in the sugar is because you have sour cream and a little bit of vinegar. So you need to make sure you're balanced out for flavors. Just to make sure it's all ranch dressing like, I've got a little bit of buttermilk that's gonna go in here as well. Let's season this with traditional seasonings for ranch dressing. I'm starting with some garlic powder. Let's add some onion powder in here. All right, and then we do need some salt and pepper. All right, before I give this a stir, let's take some chives and let's dice up, mince, just cut some chives and we'll get the chives right in here. All right, let's give this a stir. I'll put some of the ranch dressing in a bowl so I can dip it. This is the part I hate the most. I mean, I do. I feel I'm on this side of the camera, you're on that side of the camera. This is the part I hate the most, but somebody's gotta do it. So let's see what these wings taste like. Sticky, Hennessy, sweet. Gotta tell you something. It's probably one of the best wings you will ever have in your life. Look at the tongue. Look at that. The recipe, I'm gonna put it on the website for you. DariusCooks.tv. Listen, there's 2 things I gotta tell you, because I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. While I eat, from my heart to you.